This is the Northwest Training and Development Team and Pathways Daily Coronavirus Update. Today's update explains what the government is saying that we should do now and what might happen next to help stop the spread of the virus. Last night, the Prime Minister told us that everyone staying at home has helped to slow the spread of the virus. This means that the government can start to think about what we should do now and what we might do next to help keep the virus under control. We still have to work hard to keep people safe and stop the virus from spreading. We know there have been lots of news reports about how things might change. This has been very confusing. The government has told us that really not much is changing for now. We have to take things slowly and check how things are going. Right now, we can still only leave home to get essential shopping like food or for medical needs. One small thing that has changed is that from this Wednesday, the 13th of May, we can leave home more than once a day to exercise, including going to a park, as long as we stay more than 2 metres or 3 steps away from people we don't live with. Another change is that people whose businesses are open are being asked to go back to work. Employers are being asked to make sure people are safe when they do this. Places that are open include builders and factories. People who can work from home are still being asked to work from home. Places like pubs, restaurants, gyms and clothes shops are still not open. We still must stay away from people that we don't live with. This is called social distancing. We should keep at least 6 feet or 3 steps away from other people. We must not visit people we don't live with, and we must not have visitors to our home. We should not use public transport unless we really have to. This includes if we are going to work. If we have to travel to work, we should try to walk, cycle, or go by car. The government has said we must stay alert. The government will keep a close eye on whether it is safe to make any changes or lift any restrictions. They will do this based on how well we are doing at slowing the spread of the virus. We will do another video this week explaining how they will check this. The government has said that some of the changes they hope to make soon include asking some children and young people to return to school and seeing if some shops are able to open. But these changes aren't happening right now. While we have to keep our physical distance from people we don't live with, we should still keep in touch with our friends and family over the phone or on the internet. We should do things that we enjoy at home with people that we live with, like going for a walk, watching films, painting, or doing the gardening. We should phone people we know and trust if we need help or advice with anything. The government will stay alert to check that we are still slowing the spread of the virus. For most of us, things have not changed very much. We should still stay home, except to get essential shopping like food or for medical needs, to get exercise or to go to work if we cannot work from home. We must still stay 6 feet or 3 steps away from people that we don't live with. We should stay safe and we should keep connected with our friends and family that we don't live with by phone or over the internet.